America was not built on fear. America was built on courage, on imagination, and an unbeatable determination to do the job at hand. An honest public servant can't become rich in politics. He can only attain greatness and satisfaction by service. It is amazing what you can accomplish if you do not care who gets the credit. Work hard. Do your best. Keep your word. Never get too big for your britches. Trust in God. Have no fear, and never forget a friend. When even one American, who has done nothing wrong, is forced by fear to shut his mind and close his mouth, then all Americans are in peril. A man who is influenced by the polls, or is afraid to make decisions which make him unpopular, is not a man to represent the welfare of the country. If you don't have your own goals, you'll be doomed to work towards someone else's. Imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. A pessimist is one who makes difficulties of his opportunities, and an optimist is one who makes opportunities of his difficulties. There is some risk involved in action, there always is. But there is far more risk in failure to act. There are always a lot of people so afraid of rocking the boat that they stop rowing. We can never get ahead that way. It's a recession when your neighbor loses his job. It's a depression when you lose your own. Fame is a vapor, popularity is an accident. Riches take wings. Those who cheer today may curse tomorrow, and only one thing endures: character. We must remember that the test of our religious principles lies not just in what we say, not only in our prayers, not even in living blameless lives, but in what we do for others. Selfishness and greed, individual or national, cause most of our troubles. The only thing new in the world is the history you do not know. Tact is the ability to step on a man's toes without messing up the shine on his shoes. I have found the best way to give advice to your children is to find out what they want, and then advise them to do it. In reading the lives of great men, I found that the first victory they won was over themselves. Self-discipline with all of them came first. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.